Keep your textbook with you. Illustration number 11 we are solving.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, Arun, Varun and Tarun are partners of a law firm. They are running a law firm, sharing profits in the ratio 5:3:2. Their partnership deed provide the following. We have three partners, Arun, Varun and Tarun. Their profit sharing ratio is 5, 3 and 2. 5:3:2. That means 5/10, 3/10, 2/10. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10. ठीक है. Partnership deed is providing them with interest on capital at the rate 5% per annum. Remember per annum word? If per annum word is not used, sometimes they use half yearly word.
Yes.
Only in case of high order thinking skill questions. Generally, these are not asked because अभी exam बहुत ही easy कर दिया है. But if it is asked, per annum word is given, we have to calculate for 12 months. ठीक है. Next, this was one. Second is given. Arun guaranteed that he would earn a minimum annual fee of rupees 6 lakh for the firm. Arun is a partner. ये लोग law firm चला रहे हैं. Law में what do they provide? They provide consultancy services to their clients. कहाँ केस फाइल करनी है, किसके पास करनी है, this. So this fee that Arun has said that he would earn for the firm will be rupees 6 lakh. ठीक है. Who is saying this? Arun is saying. Arun is saying 6 lakh. कम से कम मैं इतना फर्म को कमा के दूंगा एक साल में. ठीक है. Tarun is guaranteed profit. Tarun was guaranteed a profit of rupees 2,50,000 excluding interest on capital, and any deficiency on account this was to be borne by Arun and Tarun in the ratio 2:3. Now Tarun is guaranteed a profit of rupees 2,50,000. Minimum profit he should get is rupees 2,50,000. Okay. And if any deficiency arises, who is going to pay? Remaining partners, Arun and Varun. This deficiency they will share in 2:3. Here, the share of deficiency, ratio of deficiency is given. In the earlier question, it was not given. Okay, next point. During the year March 31st, 2019, Arun earned a fee of rupees 3,20,000 and net profits earned by firm were rupees 8,60,000. Partners capital on 1st April were 30 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. This is 30 lakh or this should be 3 lakh. देखते हैं इसको. 30 lakh is given of Arun. कुछ ज्यादा ही capital है इसका. 30 lakh. Let's see. We'll go according to what is given in the question. Tarun, Varun. 3 lakh. And this is Tarun. 2 lakh. Okay. Now we are asked to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and show our workings clearly. Let us prepare. See now, Payal, see the difference. Here it is given books of Arun, Varun and Tarun in your NCERT textbook. Then they are asking how they have presented the screen, presented the answer. Screen बोलने का आदत लगी. Like I say, in the books of. What happens because of this? The examiner, the person who is checking your paper, gets impressed. तो अरे ये बहुत अच्छी तरीके से प्रेजेंट किया है इसने, आई हैव टू गिव हिम और हर द मार्क्स. इन द बुक्स ऑफ अरुण, वरुण एंड तरुण, we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. How they have given it for the year ending. See, examiner is impressed with you. Ending March 31st, 2019. Okay. Prepare the account. Prepare it with me only. साथ साथ में करेंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Neha has just joined. Neha, we are solving illustration number 11. We are solving illustration 11. We'll just show you what is given in the question once and then we'll start again. The topic is about guarantee of profit. We have three partners. Three partners here. Arun, Varun and Tarun. They're sharing their profits in the ratio 5:3:2, यानी कि 5/10, 3/10, 2/10 respectively. Interest on capital, partnership deed is providing them 5% per annum. Arun has promised to earn ₹6 lakh for his firm. ये लॉ कंसल्टेंसी फर्म है इनकी, तीनों लोग चला रहे हैं, कंसल्टेंसी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. अरुण ने प्रॉमिस किया है कि वो 6 लाख कमा के देगा फर्म को. Tarun is being guaranteed the profit of ₹2,50,000. किसने गारंटी दी है? फर्म ने गारंटी दी है. एंड इफ he doesn't earn this much of profit, minimum profit, Tarun and Varun will share the deficiency in the ratio 2:3. Then net profit of the partners are given. Partnership firm is given 8,60,000. The capital balances are given. And now we are coming to the solution. First, we will transfer the profit. This is P&L appropriation account. We are transferring profit from P&L account, profit and loss account. Net profit 8,60,000 given in the question. First, we have to provide them interest on capital. So write here 2 interest on capital. This is your debit side, credit side. Interest on capital is an expense for the business. Hence, it will come on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Arun, Varun, Tarun. You can show here the workings also. You can directly calculate. Capital of Arun is given 30 lakh. Now, if I calculate 5% on 30 lakh, if I calculate here 5% on 30 lakh directly, 5 3 is a 15. But this shouldn't be 30 lakh. This should be 3 lakh. Wait a minute. Into 15%. Correct. 30 lakh कुछ ज्यादा है. There is a mistake in this question. This is 3 lakh, not 30 lakh. आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में 30 लाख दिया है इसका कैपिटल, इसको 3 लाख कर लो. अच्छा, इफ इन योर क्वेश्चन पेपर, दिस इज आवर टेक्स्ट बुक, अभी हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते ये टेक्स्ट बुक में, बट इफ इन केस इन योर क्वेश्चन पेपर, फाइनल एग्जाम के क्वेश्चन पेपर में यहाँ पे 30 लाख है तो आप 30 लाख पे ही कैलकुलेट करेंगे. जब तक आपको कोई एग्जामिनर इन्विजिलेटर आके बताता नहीं कि ये 30 लाख नहीं 3 लाख है. कभी कभी
पर मैम अगर आंसर कुछ अलग ही आ रहा है, मतलब वो पॉइंट नहीं आ रहा है तो?
what happens this has happened previously also, आपको बेनिफिट मिल जाता है. Suppose this question is asked for 6 marks, you will get 6 marks if you are solving with 30 lakhs only. लेकिन आपने अपना दिमाग लगाया और 3 लाख किया ना, तो आपको 6 marks नहीं मिलेंगे. बट जनरली जो करेक्शंस आते हैं, सपोज योर पेपर इज स्टार्टिंग एट 9:30, corrections are already announced at 9:15. All the corrections are already announced at 9:15. So you have 15 minutes. Don't worry about it. ये NCERT में mistakes है.
ओके मैम.
Oh, no. It's better if you show your working notes here. Capital Arun, Varun, and Tarun. We have no calculations here. Directly, you have to calculate on 3 lakh into 5% into for whole year 12 by 12. It comes to rupees 15,000. ये भी सेम, इसका भी 3 लाख है. So it will come rupees 15,000. Tarun has a capital of 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs into 5%. And this is for 12 months. 12 by 12. 2 5s are 10. This is 10,000. This amount will be shown in the profit and loss appropriation account. 15,000, 15,000, and 10,000. Total should be shown on the outside column. Is your 40,000. This is done. After this, no any other adjustment is given. The fees, देखो, this question आपको चीट कैसे किया है, आपको कंफ्यूज कैसे किया है यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में. Here Arun has promised or Arun has guaranteed that he will earn rupees 6 lakh annual fee. This is fee is given for his law firm. Now you have studied NPO, you have studied profit and loss account, trading and P&L account, इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट, ये सब आपने पढ़ा है. ये जो हम बना रहे हैं, वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग, दिस इज अवर एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. एडजस्टमेंट रिगार्डिंग योर 6 लाख फी हैज ऑलरेडी बीन डन इन योर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. ये जो प्रॉफिट आया है, ये उसी वजह से आया है कि अच्छा इसने 6 लाख का फी, हमको पैसे मिले, इनकम आई है पास. दिस इज ऑलरेडी बीन मेड. ये 6 लाख का, this 6 lakh you have to, and another 3,20,000 is given of Arun. बाद में 6 लाख बोला था, इसने बाद में 3,20,000 किया. इसकी अभी कोई एडजस्टमेंट नहीं है. We have to directly calculate the profits. No any other adjustment is given. Interest on drawing, salary, remuneration, कुछ नहीं. The profit remaining to be distributed to the partners. To partners capital account. Arun, Varun, and Tarun. For this, we have to prepare the working notes. इधर जगह ही नहीं है क्या? वेट वेट अ मिनट. Preparing working notes. You can show this adjustment in your profit and loss appropriation also, but it will be better if you show it here. Arun's who has been guaranteed a profit 2,50,000. First, let us calculate Arun's deficiency. Now, this is regarding your 6 lakh. Iska adjustment, this 6 lakhs adjustment is already been done. We are only calculating the deficiency. इसने प्रॉमिस कितना किया था और ये कितना कमा के लाया है. He promised 6 lakh, but he earned rupees 3,20,000. This comes to 6 lakhs less to 3,20,000, 2,80,000. Now this 2,80,000, what is going to happen? This is anyhow an income for us. Income for us. This we will show in our P&L appropriation account credit side. This we will show on the credit side. Let's come here. By, you write first your first figures 2,80,000, and this deficiency is borne by Arun. ये जो deficiency है, this is a deficiency for Arun, but it is an income for the for the firm. It is shown under P&L appropriation account. The actual income will be shown here in the P&L profit and loss account. वो हमको adjustment नहीं करना है. हमको adjustment करना है ये deficiency का adjustment, which is also an income for the firm. Arun's capital will be debited by Arun's capital, and P&L appropriation account will be credited by 2,80,000. Another thing. Now next is we have to calculate the share in profit. Share in profits of partners. Now the profit was 8,60,000 plus we added 2,80,000 on the credit side itself on profit and loss appropriation account, and we have paid rupees 40,000 as interest on capital. Now this remaining profit will be distributed to the partners in their profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. If who was guaranteed? Tarun was guaranteed. This partner was guaranteed, Tarun, a minimum profit of rupees 2,50,000. Now we will see the calculation कितना होता है.
11 lakhs.
11 lakhs. Okay.
Yes.
$11 lakh. Arun's share 5/10 into 11 lakh. Then Arun के बाद क्या है? वरुण 3/10 into 11 lakh. Calculate the share. And Tarun 2/10 2/10 into 11 lakh. Calculate. $55,000. Sorry, 5,50,000. 11 lakh it is. This is 3,30,000. And this is 2,20,000. ये जो तरुण है इनका आ रहा है 2,20,000. तरुण was guaranteed rupees 2,50,000. तो 30,000 का deficiency है 30,000. This 30,000 will be shared by Arun and Varun in the ratio given 2:3. 2:3 यानी कि 2/5 and 3/5. How much is the deficiency? 30,000. 30,000 का शेयर कैलकुलेट कर लो दोनों के लिए. 6 12,000 and this is 18,000, which means this 5,50,000 Arun is getting 5,50,000, but he has to return rupees 12,000 to Tarun. Varun is getting rupees 3,30,000 as profit, but he has to return 18,000 to Tarun. Let's write here final profits. Arun 5,50,000 minus 12,000. Varun 3,30,000 minus 18,000. Tarun 2,20,000 plus 12,000 and plus 18,000, which is 30,000. Take the total. This will come 5,38,000. 2, 2, 2, 3, 12. 12,000. This is 2,50,000. Take this final amounts to your profit and loss appropriation account. We'll show here directly. 5,38,000, 3,12,000 and 2,50,000. The total should be 11 lakh. If it is not 11 lakh, then your calculation is wrong. अगर ये प्रॉफिट आपका मैच नहीं होता है तो आपकी यहाँ पे कोई गलती है. उस टाइम पे आप क्या करेंगे? अगेन यू विल गो बैक टू दिस कैलकुलेशन एंड यू विल फाइंड वेयर इज द मिस्टेक. जनरली यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हो जाती है. 2:3 यहाँ पे रेशियो दिया हुआ था. अदरवाइज वी वुड हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. लास्ट टाइम हमने प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में दिया था इनको. यहाँ पे रेशियो मेंशन्ड है 2:3. If this ratio was not mentioned, we would have shared this rupees 30,000 in the ratio 5:3, which is the profit sharing ratio of Arun and Varun according to the partnership deed. But in this question, ratio is given 2:3. Hence, we will share the deficiency in this ratio. Take the total. Let's see. 11,40,000 and 11,40,000. This is 11,40,000. Now, question of tallying here doesn't arise. देखो बैलेंस शीट नहीं है. We are not asked to prepare the balance sheet. If you would have calculated on 30 lakh, तो आपका आंसर थोड़ा अलग आता, थोड़े डिफरेंट फिगर्स आते हैं, बट हो जाता. अभी आपको बैलेंस शीट बनाना ही नहीं था. Now Neha has left the meeting. Okay. Done with this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we have next question, illustration 12 and 13. Now these two questions are for your homework. Try to solve it by yourself.
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
explain you one new topic, that is your past adjustment. Rest down your pens and everything. Just sit back and relax and listen. You hardly have 5 minutes. Past adjustment. What is this? Sometimes what happens in your business, when you're running a business, some mistakes happen. I'm talking about mistakes, not frauds. The difference between mistake and fraud is that mistake is unintentional, no intention. यहाँ पे कोई गलत हमारा इंटेंशन नहीं होता है, गलती हो जाती है. Fraud is intention is involved. Here we are talking about mistakes. Some mistakes happens in the accounting process. You have studied about rectification of errors. Rectification of errors में there were various types of errors. Error of principal, error of commission, error of omission. Such omissions arises in each and every business organization. Partnership में भी ऐसे कुछ mistakes हो जाती है. क्या mistakes होती है? Your mistakes mainly here is given regarding a P&L appropriation account और कैपिटल अकाउंट्स ऑफ पार्टनर्स, क्योंकि ये इसके जो जितना भी प्रॉफिट है, शेयर है, लॉस है, सब जाता है पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट. अब कौन से एडजस्टमेंट्स गलती हो जाती है अकाउंटेंट से रिगार्डिंग योर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स, योर सैलरी, रेम्यूनरेशन और द प्रॉफिट्स एंड लॉसेस. Now what happens? Error of commission, error of principal and error of omission. ये 3 कॉन्सेप्ट हमें अच्छे से आते हैं. इनका मतलब कभी कभी क्या हो जाता है, बिकॉज इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल सपोज इट इज गिवन 5%, अकाउंटेंट को ये 5 दिखा ही नहीं, उसने दे दिया 6% पे. दिस इज अ मिस्टेक. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग वाज नॉट टू बी चार्ज बट चार्ज्ड. ठीक है, सैलरी हमको देनी नहीं थी, चलो ठीक है, 12 महीने की सैलरी थी, पर 2 महीने उसने कुछ काम ही नहीं किया. 2 months of salary extra paid or not paid. These are some mistakes which happens in the past, Now how to correct these mistakes? ये तो हमारी ऐसी नोटबुक नहीं है कि ये प्रॉफिट था, ये 3,000, इसको हमने ऐसे कट कर दिया और साइड में लिख दिया 30,000. This is our ledger accounts. We can't do this. So what we have to do? We have to make a journal entry. That is your rectification entry, which is to be done in the present. यानी कि प्रेजेंट में हम कुछ एडजस्टमेंट्स करते हैं जिसे हम कहते हैं पास्ट एडजस्टमेंट्स. These past adjustments are related to some of the mistakes happened in the past which we are now correcting it in the present. ये इस टाइप का प्रॉब्लम हमने पहले भी सॉल्व किया है कि इलस्ट्रेशन में उस कॉन्सेप्ट को लेके सॉल्व नहीं किया है, बट हाउ वी हैव सॉल्व, वी हैव टेकन अवर कार इन द रिवर्स डायरेक्शन. ऐसे चल रही थी, हमने रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में दिया. लाइक वी एग्जांपल, क्लोजिंग कैपिटल्स वर गिवन and we have to arise till the opening capitals. तब हमने जो भी एंट्रीज थी यहाँ पे क्लोजिंग पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल में, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल को लेके, प्रॉफिट्स को लेके, ड्राइंग्स को लेके, उसको रिवर्स कर दिया था एंड वी अराइव्ड एट ओपनिंग कैपिटल. सेम वी हैव टू डू हियर इन दिस आल्सो, इन द पास्ट एडजस्टमेंट आल्सो. इफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज पेड टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल, reduce it. If it is not paid, add it. Interest on drawings, if paid, deduct it. If not paid, pay them or collect them, collect the interest on drawings from the partners. Profit distributed, profits given, not to be distributed, reduce the profits. Losses borne by the partners capital account was reduced. Losses were not to be given or not to be shared in that ratio. गलत रेशियो में बांट दिया, ऐड कर दो, दोबारा से करेक्ट कर दो उसको, जो रेशियो होना चाहिए तो उस रेशियो में आप दे दो. दिस इज योर पास्ट एडजस्टमेंट concept. In this concept, sometimes journal entries are asked, which are nothing but your rectification entry. हमारे लेजर्स होते हैं, देखो एक है हमारे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ जर्नल एंट्रीज में मेक. ये जो जर्नल एंट्री है, दिस इज आवर स्पेशल एंट्री. दिस इज आवर स्पेशल एंट्री. दिस entries is always shown in journal proper. Stupid questions, 1 mark questions may be asked in the examination. The rectification entry or the journal entries in case of past adjustments are always shown in the journal proper. यहाँ पे जो डेबिट क्रेडिट का जो इफेक्ट होता है जिन भी अकाउंट्स को, उन लेजर अकाउंट्स में ये इफेक्ट दिखाई पड़ता है. दिस एंट्री एक ही है, ओनली 1 एंट्री इज देयर, इमेजिन, बट इट्स इफेक्ट्स विल बी 2 इफेक्ट्स. हर एक जनरल एंट्री का 2 इफेक्ट होगा यहाँ पे. एग्जाम्पल, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल हम पे करते हैं. दिस इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. से ₹3,000, से ₹3,000. अब हमको बोल रहे हैं कि 3,000 नहीं देना था, 30,000 था. क्या करोगे? इसको रिवर्स कर दो. हाउ यू विल रिवर्स? पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 3,000 टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. आ गया वैसे का वैसा. नेक्स्ट एंट्री, अब इनको करेक्ट अमाउंट भी तो देना है हमें. ओके, देन वी हैव टू चेक द प्रॉफिट्स. प्रॉफिट्स आर मोर, ओके ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. फिर इनको दे दो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट ₹30,000 टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट ₹30,000. Okay, students, time is over. You should leave. Next class you have. Ma'am has messaged. Sorry. Please leave.
It's okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.